Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss approximation algorithms for NP hot problem. This is comes under 5th unit. Already we studied what is P, NP, NP hot, NP complete, right? So now we are going to discuss approximation algorithms. So what is the use of approximation algorithm? We are going to find the approximate result for the problems. So when we are going to apply this means when we don't have a efficient algorithm, that time we can apply the approximation algorithm. Usually this approximation algorithm is associated with the NP hot. That is, it's a problem specific heuristic. Problem specific heuristic is nothing but heuristic in the sense it is a common sense. That means we are going to get the result from the experience rather than the mathematically proved assertion. That is the main thing of the approximation algorithm for NP hard. We'll see how to measure the accuracy of the approximation solution. We are going to apply the approximation algorithm. For that, how we are going to measure the accuracy? So for that we have a formula, that is RE of SA equal to F is nothing but function of SA minus function of S star divided by function of S star. So SA and S star is the main elements we are going to apply here. SA is nothing but we are going to measure, that is F of SA is nothing but function of approximate solution. S star is nothing but exact solution. So between these two things we are going to find the relation. So that's why it is mentioned as RE of SA. RE of SA. RE is nothing but relative error of an approximation solution. So if you want to measure the accuracy of the approximation solution, we should know what's the approximate solution and what's the exact solution. So from that we are going to simplify the formula. So we both approximate and exact solution divided by the exact solution. From that you can simplify, you can get the F of SA divided by F of S star minus 1. So here the F of SA divided by F of S star is going to be considered as a R of SA, which means accuracy ratio. So R is nothing but ratio. So SA and S star. So here we have the what's the specification of RE, SA, S star and R. Next we are going to continue. Now we are going to continue with the approximation algorithm for TSP. Everyone know what is TSP, right? This TSP is nothing but traveling salesman problem. So now we are going to apply the approximation algorithm for TSP. So first approximation algorithm here we are going to see is nothing but nearest neighbor algorithm. We'll see the steps for nearest neighbor algorithm. This is most of the thing is same like a normal TSP, because the TSP we already studied in brute force methodology and also in branch and bound condition. Now we are studying in approximation algorithm also. So everyone know what is TSP. Now we are going to apply with the help of the approximation algorithm. So we'll see the steps. First step, choose an arbitrary city as the start. That means we are going to start with any one city. Next, second step, repeat the following operation until all the cities have been visited. That means all the nodes should be visited. Go to the unvisited city nearest the one visited lost. So how we are going to visit the next city now? From the current city we are going to visit the next one that should not be visited already. Third step, return to the starting city. Why? Because there is a traveling salesman problem where we started the same node we have to end. That is the concept. So we'll see the example. So this is the example graph. In this graph it contains 4 nodes A, B, C, D that contains the weight between the cities. This is an undirected graph. We'll apply the nearest neighbor algorithm here. First we are going to find the ratio, accuracy ratio R of SA equal to F of SA divided by F of S star. Already we discussed. So how will you identify SA? That is approximate solution. Approximate solution from the given example we are going to find out. From started with A to B, A to B and B to C, C to D, D to A. In any path you can travel. This is approximate one only, so we can follow the node wise count. A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6, we can get the 14 value. Now we are going to find the exact solution. In brute force and brute force methodology, how we have found the solution? We have n factorial. We are going to find all the possibility of the traveling path between all the nodes. From that we have find out the smallest value. Here it is going to be based on the weight. So absolute answer, how we are going to find out? Where we started, from that we are going to find the next nearest city. So this is going to be exact one, A to B, then we move on to B to A, B to D, sorry, A to B, B to D, then D to C, C to A. So we can visit all the cities and also we can travel through the less weight. So you can get the value 10. So we can apply the value in formula. Ratio of SA equal to F of SA equal to 14 and the F of S star 10. 14 divided by 10, we can get the value 1.4. So from that we can conclude the tour SA is 40% longer than the optimal tour S star. So this is nearest neighbor algorithm. We will see the next algorithm. Next algorithm, multi-fragment heuristic algorithm. This is another approximation algorithm. So for this also we have 3 steps. First step, we have to sort the edges. First we have to sort the edges in ascending order. From this given graph we are going to sorting the edges from the ascending order. Initialize the set of 2 edges. From that only we can construct the empty set. Second step, we are going to repeat this step until all cities are taken into count. We must take care that the process of addition of edges should not create a vertex of degree 3. There should not be any closed edges. That means we should not create it. Third step, return the set of 2 edges. We'll see. We'll apply the 3 steps in the same graph. First we are going to ascending the edges, ascending order. We are going to sorting the edges in ascending order. Based on weight we are going to sorting it. So first one AB 2, likewise CD also 2, same weight, and AC weight 3, BD also weight 3, BC value 4, AD value 6. We sorted everything. So from that we are going to get this set of edges. When you are selecting the edges, that should not create the closed one. So first we find the smallest value A to B, that taken into account. Then second next same weight 2, that is CD, that is also considered. Next smallest one 3, but when you are selecting the weight 3, already we have AB. So if you are choosing CD, and again if you are choosing the BD value, means that is going to be a closed one. How it is closed one means, obviously the next value is going to be 4. So B, C, C to D, and D to B, it is going to be make a triangle one. So we should not select that one. So we are not going to consider the weight 3. Likewise, another equal weight 3. Already we choose AB. Suppose we choose AB and CD. If you are choosing AC, A, C, C, D. The final one we end with 6 means A, C, D, A going to make a triangle. So we are not selecting the weight 3. So both weight 3 edges not going to be considered. Why? Because it is created the closed circuit. So the next weight 4, that is BC. The next order, it is going to be A to D. So we can get the value 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, we can get 14. The set of edges from the same tour as the one produced by the nearest neighbor algorithm. Both algorithms answer is going to be same.